In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Twilio Account SID. Whether you're new to Twilio or just need a refresher, this guide will show you exactly where to look. Let's dive right in and make this process as simple as possible for you. First things first, you'll need to log into your Twilio account. To do this, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL console.twilio.com. Once you're there, go ahead and enter your login credentials. If you've forgotten your password, remember you can always reset it through the Forgot Password link right below the login fields. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. Now, on your dashboard, which Twilio refers to as the Account Info page, you'll find exactly what you need. The dashboard is essentially your control center for all things Twilio, and it's where you can access a wealth of information regarding your account. Right on this page, you'll see your account SID displayed prominently in plain text. This is the unique identifier for your account, and it's crucial for integrating Twilio into your applications. Be sure to keep track of this information, as you'll likely need it frequently when using Twilio's services. In addition to your account SID, there's another important piece of information available here, which is your auth token. While the account SE is visible straight away, you'll notice that the auth token is hidden by default. This is an added security measure to protect your account from unauthorized access. Whenever you need to view your auth token, simply click on the eye icon right next to it. This will reveal your auth token temporarily, so you can take note of it. Just remember to handle this information carefully, as anyone with access to your auth token can potentially make changes to your Twilio account. As a quick tip, if you're planning to use this information frequently, consider copying and securely storing it someplace safe, perhaps in a password manager. This way, you won't have to repeatedly go through the process of logging in just to retrieve it. And there you have it. You've successfully located your Twilio account SID and know how to find your auth token. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel more confident navigating your way around the Twilio dashboard. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more guides on making the most out of your tech tools.